Hi everyone, today we are making baked apples. So we're just gonna put baking paper on. 4 apples. We're gonna do a hole in it and just look that the apples are stable. Now we're gonna do a hole in them, in all the apples. I use the big spoon, it's very easy. Like this, just watch out that you don't cut through it. Here I was very close. So this one already one and a bit more. Now that we have the holes in all the apples, we're gonna prepare the filling. First, we're gonna melt about 50 grams of butter. So something like this. 100 grams of crushed walnuts. So the butter is melting, needs a bit more time. And in the meantime, we can add 50 grams of honey. I love honey, so I won't spare with it. For now, I add 4 big spoons of honey. We'll see now when I add the melted butter. You mix all together. The filling is perfect, and now we're gonna fill all the apples. When we fill them all, we put it in the oven on 180 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. I promise you this is so delicious, you will love it, especially for cold winter days with some sweet cream on top and cinnamon. Or you could also have it for hot summer days with ice cream beside. Try it and tell me in the comment if you like it. Before you serve them, wait a minute or two because they are very hot. So our apples are now baked. I had them in the oven exactly 20 minutes. And I'm just gonna wait a minute or two that they get a bit colder before I serve them. This is so delicious. So we're just gonna add some sweet cream and some cinnamon on top. And voila, ready for it. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in another one. Ciao.